Hey YouTube, Sports Fam 1188 here. Merry Christmas. We just got a couple of boxes for Christmas and we're going to crack them open. We got two boxes of Upper Deck Piece of History and we also got one box of 2007 Playoff Absolute Memorabilia. Really nice boxes here. So we want to start cutting into these boxes real fast. We don't want to waste any time. So we're going to start off with the Piece of History. See what we get. We've done actually real well on these. This is our this is our, gosh, I think our fifth box of these.
Six,
so we'll
seven,
see.
maybe.
6, 7. So we're going to try to get through these real fast because we want to get these video times real down. Okay, let's go. Okay, no hit here. Base, base, base. Our numbered rookie, 20 to 25, is
Nice.
Seth Smith. Actually, that's numbered real nice. There we go. Okay. Decoy. Base.
Legacy.
Yankee Stadium Legacy. I'm not gonna waste time with those. Okay, no hit here. That could have the auto, actually. Looks like we might. Oh, no. A numbered card is a Dan Harden, numbered to 699. Decoy just slipped out there. Okay. Base. Okay, here comes our first hit. Looks like the memorabilia. It's pretty thick. Yep.
Or
The
Hollywood card.
the Hollywood card. Yep. It is. Oh, it's a jacket. It's another Army fatigue thing. We got one of these before. It's Courage Under
Two,
Fire.
actually.
1996. I think that's Denzel Washington. The other one we had was Mel Gibson. Kind of neat. I don't know if you can see that. There's a
It's cool.
multicolors in the fatigue. And it is Denzel. Okay, Joey Votto rookie, actually. And yes, Yankee Stadium Legacy. Okay, next, we got no hit here.
Kevin, make sure it's not just Ashley down there, because we'll come down there with them. Sorry.
We got number to 990, number to 99. It's actually Mets. It's Jose Reyes, Hanley Ramirez. Number to 99. Nice card. Okay, got our next hit here. Okay, we're gonna go to that. Oh, our numbered card to 699 is a Todd Helton, and our next hit is nice, a Victor Martinez, for the Cleveland
Numbered?
Indians.
Nope.
No. Okay, base. Okay, next, okay, we got number to 140, John Smoltz.
Kind of weird number.
Base, another Yankee Legacy. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Looks like maybe our auto. No, we got, oh, this is nice. Oh, another Met hit. You know, we're Met fans here, even though I got my Eagles on.
Number.
This is number to 799. It's Beltran and Reyes. Base. Okay, still looking for the auto, and I think one more hit.
Two.
Base cards here. I don't even. Our numbered card is number to 99. Who is that? Looks like Jason Bay.
Yeah.
Got some nice low numbered cards here. Okay, we got our next hit here.
It's nice.
Okay, this looks different. Never seen anything like this. Let's see. It is. Oh, I have seen it. It's a piece of history. Oh, there you go. Ken Griffey Jr., numbered 1 of 25. That's nice.
eBay
With a
101.
pinstripe.
It's nice.
That's not an eBay 101. Oh, yeah, that is an eBay 101, yeah. Yep, numbered 1 to 25. Actually, that's only the second time I've actually gotten a numbered 1 card out of a pack. Believe it or not. But that's nice. Numbered to 25. Show you that again.
It's nice.
Yeah, nice with the pinstripe. So far, very nice box. Base, base, base. By the way, I missed our numbered card. It was a Cole Hamels, $6.99, numbered.
First I thought it was Jimmy Rollins.
Yeah, so did I actually. Okay. Okay, next we got base, base, base. We got a number to $7.99. Looks like Berkman, Fielder, Lee, and Connor Jackson. There you go. Nothing special there. Base, base, base. Okay, let's stack this up here. We should have the auto coming still. I think that's all we got left.
Yeah.
Got base, base, base. We got numbered to 75. Another low numbered card. Jake Peavy. Looking for a team. Looking for a team next year. Okay, we got 4 or 5 more packs. Okay. Johan on the Mets. Gotta show that. Load Johan up. This decoy just slid out. Okay, my next is numbered to 799. Greg Maddux for the Braves and the Cubs. Show that real fast. Okay.
Four more packs.
Yeah, we got 4 more
So-
packs,
so
and we
we're
got
gonna
the
have
auto
all-
hit, which I actually got right here. Let's see, the auto hit is Justin Rigano, something like that. Rigano.
Not
I
numbered.
don't think that's numbered. Nope. Oh well. Okay, let's hope maybe we get another extra hit in here. I think I got all my hits already, so I'll blow through this fast. This is a piece of history, $7.99. It's Braves, but it shows Glavine in a Mets outfit, actually. So it's Glavine, Maddux, and Smoltz. That would have been nice if it was some kind of jersey or auto.
I
They're
think
a
you
great
can get
trio.
jerseys in them. Hopefully.
Okay, 2 more packs. Let's see if we can get nothing. Get lucky, get an extra hit. David Wright. Nothing here. Numbered card is number 299. Ivan Rodriguez, another low number. Okay, our last pack. Oh, last hit mojo. Nothing.
Could get an auto.
That's it. Well, we did get a Ryan Howard to number to 699. Last serial numbered card out of the pack, out of the box. I mean, not a bad box. We'll recap the box real fast.
We got the auto of Justin Rigoni, the Ken Griffey Jr. pinstripe, the Victor Martinez jersey, and the camouflage jacket from the Courage Under Fire. And then we got all these numbered cards, serial numbered cards. And once again, I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and subscribe, and thanks.